Hi guys, welcome back to the weekly vlog. Today is Tuesday the 30th of October. Tomorrow is Halloween. As you can see, I'm back home. If you know, you know. I'm back in school mode. I'm kind of making my face up for the first time for school tomorrow. I don't know how that will work because it's currently 10:53. I usually wake up by 7 a.m. to get ready for my 9 a.m. classes, so I have like 2 hours to get on with my morning routine. I just wanted to do I don't know how I sound, but I've been trying to rest. I just wanted to do a conclusion or a summary. Do you think I should make myself up for Halloween tomorrow? By the time you guys reply to this question, I probably would have decided what to do. My battery is about to die anyway, so bye. Hi guys, good morning. As you can see, it's the next day. Currently 7:27 a.m. One thing I'm definitely going to do is have a dance session every single day before I go to class, because it just boosts my mood and it makes me feel better. I don't remember what particular songs I was listening to, but it was Burna Boy's album, I think. I don't even remember what I was saying here, but maybe I was talking about my shower cap matching my brushes. I'd be so dramatic sometimes. But these songs were giving. Like, look at me putting on a whole show for you guys. You wouldn't get this anywhere else. Not me doing the water dance challenge by Tyler. Make me say, make me water. Anyways, I just got out of the shower. Time for some skincare. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want like a detailed skincare routine. I'm not going to lie and say it's just my skincare products that are giving me, skin is skinning, but they're definitely helping, because it's not like I have a daily routine, but it's not like I have an AM or a PM routine that's separate. I basically use the same products in the morning and just don't use every single product at night, but I tend to moisturize before I go to bed. That's for sure. And I obviously take a shower twice a day. So morning before I go to uni, and then once I get back, I use the Victoria's Secret body spray. I use the Dove deodorant. I don't think it makes my pits black, because I have been running from that. And then I have to wash my hands because I do my moisturizer last, so I wait for like the other products to seep through and go into my skin. I would basically wait for the other products to like go into my skin before I put my moisturizer. So I do every other thing while I'm waiting for that. And then of course I have to brush my lashes, because they are actually fluffy when you brush them immediately you come out of the shower. You're meant to do it with like a fan, because it's fluffier when you're drying it and brushing it, but I don't have a fan currently, so I just make do with what I have. Yeah. Hi guys, I think you can hear me. First, it is currently 8:05 and I am attempting to do a light beat. I will not be doing my brows. This is the Shine Killer primer from NYX. First, I know you guys couldn't hear me earlier because I can't afford for my video to get blocked because of Burna Boy. It's never that deep. Anyways, going to be using Shine and Jam for my brows. I'm going to buy a brow tamer, guys. Do not judge me. Like, every day I wake up, I have something to spend money on and it's stressing me the out. I just found out that I need to buy the Natrium body wash. It's raining tomorrow. I'm going to dress so comfortable tomorrow. Ain't nobody about to dress up on a rainy day. Guys, it's so cold. Anyways, brows are done. Let's go ahead and do the rest. Applying my substitute. Well, applying my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Born This Way actually has to be the best foundation currently. One. What's the time? Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 8:08.
8:08. Okay, Fez. These what are they called? Newborn Beauty brushes are to die for. Look at that shade match. I was contemplating taking food. My aunt brought me food last night. Saved my life. Girl, don't put concealer in your eye, like legit in your eye. It's a tiny bit. We're not trying to sculpt. Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 8:19.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. Very skin-like. I love all the products on my face. My powder is from Notes. My highlighter is from Notes. My blush is from Rare Beauty. I don't remember what color it's in. My mascara is Fenty. My setting powder is Fenty as well. I don't remember where the makeup video stopped. My liner I don't remember, but the gloss is from Saron. Love the skin finish. My setting spray is from NYX as well. What? NYX? I think the first primer was from NYX, the shine remover. Anyways, let's go ahead and wear the dress. I have less than 20 minutes. I have about 16 minutes before my ride gets here. Ooh. Let's check our analytics for the month. Weekly recap. Oh my gosh, thank you to everyone who watches my YouTube. It definitely means a lot to me. You know, everyone be watching my vlogs. I love it. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. What's the second most popular location your viewers are watching from? Second, United Kingdom, definitely. Nigeria is my first. Yeah. I'm so excited. I can't wait for YouTube to be paying me. Make sure you watch, like, share, and enjoy the vlog. My hair is kind of taking me off, but it looks cute on cam. I'm going to the kitchen to pack a lunch. I will be taking my camera with me because I need to charge before I head out. Let me show you guys my shoes. You already know my school bag. It's my cute tote. I might opt for the Goyard tote since I'm taking food to school and everything might not fit in here, but I have less than 10 minutes, so let's hurry up so we can be right on time. Bye. Okay guys, so I definitely made it to school in great timing. I packed my lunch, so it's jollof rice with chicken and a lot of yaji. The pepper was given because these people don't cook with pepper. That was Oji's lunch. He brought pasta from home, so we did this thing where like we ate half of the other person's lunch, and Oji was tearing my food, like he was enjoying it. Let me know in the comment section if you know what my Halloween costume is, because everyone kept asking me like, what are you dressed as? And I'm like, I'm dressed as a cat. Like, look at my cat's ears. I got picked on because people are like, hell no, do you think this is a cat costume? But it was. Oji was going through a lot. I think the pepper was dealing with him, but he was really liking the food that my aunt made, and I think I was just really happy that he was eating it, even though it was really spicy, because he was open-minded about the taste and everything. But we had fun and it was good. So this is Trinity and I, just right after our second class of the day, because we have 3 classes on Tuesdays. Our teacher gave us her witch hat and cape, and we rushed to go take Halloween pictures. I never really posted them because I didn't necessarily like the pictures, but it was just fun making memories because we look so cute. And hikey, everyone knows that I'm a witch. Like, you knew that, right? Say hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Yes.
You guys say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad.
Nice to meet you. Say hi.
My name is Daniel. Hello, my name is Hamza.
Thank you.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name, I'm Joseph. Bye.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Me too. What the fuck?
Shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me.
This is a clip of me struggling. I think it was on a Thursday night or something. I was trying to film a video, which I would definitely film in the future. I just let this clip in so you guys will know that I attempted to film the video, but it didn't turn out so well. But yeah, stay tuned. TG Omori. Yo, I'm playing. TGIF. So today's Friday. The girls are going out to drink tequila and shake their booties. So Trinity and I obviously couldn't celebrate her birthday on Thursday because we had a test on Friday. So we moved the celebration to the weekend. We ended up going to Seoul, and I was just doing my light face beat and getting ready for the girls' night out. Do I have anything else to say? I didn't vlog the rest of the night on my cam, but I did use my phone to do like a summary of what our night was like. I would try to insert that into the vlog. If not, just make sure you follow me on my social media, where like times where like I am vlogging and the vlog hasn't gone up, but I'm still sharing like moments of my life with you guys. It just helps keep in touch, I would say. So I would definitely recommend you guys adding me on Instagram, Snap, and I think that's about it. I did delete my Twitter, so that's out of the way. But yeah, this is the look. Come on, body for Charlie Poppy. Claire will make the liver for me. Hi guys, good afternoon. I know today's date and I know the time. It's the 25th of November and it's currently 2:11. I knew it was like 2:09 before I sat down. My hair is a mess. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to use this tiny ass mirror. Ignore the fact that it looks dirty. Don't be pretending your mirror looks the same. I'm trying to decide if I want to stand in the bathroom. You think it's money that I'm being sent, no? Or if I want to sit, but more like towards my full mirror and do my hair, or just hack it with this mirror. I'm going through a lot. Today is Saturday. I don't know if I have already mentioned this, but we're basically celebrating Trinity's birthday today. I think I did mention it in the earlier clips. So we're going for dinner and then we're going dancing. I didn't vlog yesterday because, like, let me be honest with you guys. When I'm having fun, the thought of like carrying a cute purse and holding my camera in my hand is just so hectic. I know, like, it's my job and I should do it, and you really don't care for my explanation, but that's your business. You're going to hear my explanation. Sometimes I just be so tired to do it, do you understand? And filming with my phone just pisses me off. I'll try my best. I'm having a mental breakdown. I've had food today though, so I'm definitely not hungry. I'm going to hack this hair, then I'll take a shower, then I will start getting ready, which is like makeup, outfits, all of that. Dinner is for 7:30. It's 2 p.m. Let's start now, so we're not gonna hear that we're running late, please. And I'm going to be listening to music, so I'm going to have to turn off my mic while I record because I'm tired of copyrights. These micro links have grown, or my hair has grown, or they've loosened. I don't even know, but they need to go out. Bye guys. Hey Siri, play. A girl has to always turn off her mic. Cannot afford for this copyrights. Anyways, we had to roll our sleeves and get down to business. I looked on Pinterest for an inspo, and I didn't necessarily do exactly what Bells had on because I didn't have the right tools, but I did something similar and I think I did look cute at the end of the day. The songs were definitely busting. I think I was listening to Style Plus. I don't remember the album, but it was giving, like, the volume was loud. I was having fun. Opted for doing my hair in front of the full-length mirror because it was just really helpful, as opposed to the tiny mirror. I was struggling, but I ended up liking my hair and my look at the end of the day. Oops. Another micro links out. Anywho, you get the gist. Hi guys, welcome back. I look a whole lot different from how I looked earlier. I tried curling the ends of my hair. I just want to say shout out to the people who do hair. Like, shout out to you guys because it's a lot. It's currently 5:30. I am going to try to rush through my makeup process and I feel very lightheaded. I don't know what that is about, but we're going to try our best to meet up with time. Dinner is for you guys. My body is shaking. I don't know why, because I ate today. I don't think it's necessarily hunger that's doing me. I got the fancy blood powder. You guys, a lot is going on, but we're going to finesse it because do you know who we are? Do you know who we are? Child, I am going through it. I'm not going through anything new. Soft life only. I'm going to wet my puff and I'll be right back. always forget to turn on the mic. Firstly, Faye, if you're watching this, I don't know why you're my number one best friend on Snap. Please get the hell out of my Snap. You guys, I hope I look good. I feel like they're leave outs and I don't like how they look. We'll be fine. First, we're going in with the Shine Killer from NYX. Hey guys, so while you watch me get ready for dinner, let me know if you like my hair in the comments. I just wanted to talk about how like makeup and driving are two things in life that have taught me that consistency is key, because I used to do makeup right from, I don't remember, it's been a couple of years, maybe like 6 years now, and the growth has just been impeccable. Like driving as well, like I remember when I used to be so scared all my life. I'd been driven and it got to a point where it was like, if you don't drive yourself to this place, girl, you're not going to get your shit done. And I had to get into the road. Luckily for me, I learned how to drive in Abuja before getting into the crazy madness in Lagos. Driving in Lagos is actually more therapeutic for me because I just drive Banana Island, VI, Lekki 1. I try not to do too much. I've been all the way to Jakonde as well, but like I don't necessarily like to do too much. So for me, I don't really be in traffic and all of that. But I just feel like if there's something you're doing in life, it's not even easy for me to give this advice because I've been doing YouTube consistently for like 5 years and it's still like a work in progress for me. But it is okay to be a work in progress, regardless of if you feel like, oh, I should have mastered this shit by now. It's fine to still be learning while you're doing the things that you're doing, but consistency will definitely be key. Consistency is definitely key. Anywho, we all can tell that from this clip I'm a blush girl. Like I will slather the product on my face. Like I want you guys to see me and the first thing you're seeing is my blush. Like I love blush so much. I'm definitely a blush girl. But this is the final look. Everything's setting nicely. I love a dewy look. That's about it. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. You already know the details of the outfits or not. But I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Keep watching. Mwah. Say hi. We're hungry. Girls aren't smiling. Sorry.
All of the things I'm talking about, yeah.
Your name?
Woman.
No, I'm just trying to get there.
It's not Yoruba. I'm from Delta State. You say it's Yoruba? Yes. Trinity said it's Yoruba. You think she's Yoruba?
This is my example. Is this similar, right?
Should be. I feel confused. I want to. Why would you not come? I'll do it ready. No, I know why I'm Yes, can I have At this point, you can tell that the girls were full, we were chatting, food was good, drinks were going, and I hope you're having as much fun watching this vlog as well. Enjoy the rest of the vlog. Bye! Where's the after party? What is that thing Wizkid said? After party where? You guys don't know the sound. I need more Nigerian people in my life. After party where? You
First you go be the bad guy, and then you go be the actor. Because I want in my family, now you receive my own laptop. You must alive for money, I thank God. My money big, you go need the tractor. If you be say you want carry my ways, you go need new genie structure. Straight out of me, I drop in my EP 2019. The things that you ready to finish. My music is traveling, falling into Asia to Berlin. Many nights where I don't sleep, Why is I go overseas? Too many people they love me, but I steady believe. One favor please, keep my family strong for me. Know that they on my knees. Straight out of Benin, I drop in my EP 2019. The things say this bed you go finish. Struggling, falling into Asia to Berlin.